Dog goes woof, cat goes meow, bird goes tweet, and mouse goes tweet. Frog goes quack, goat goes moo, and the elephant goes too. Dogs and quack, the tinker blow, the seals go wow wow wow. The better sounds that no one knows. What's that super say? Ning 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 ning. What's the frog say? Pow 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 pow. What's the frog say? Hatty hatty hat cool, hatty hatty hat cool, hatty hatty hat cool. What's the frog say? Yup 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 yup. Yup 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 yup. What's the frog say? Bling blue eyes, pointing nose, chasing mice and dating hoes. Tiny paws up the hill, Sandal, will you stand still? Your first red, so beautiful, like an angel in disguise. But if you mean the friendly horse, let's communicate by mo-o-o-o-o-ors, mo-o-o-ors, mo-o-o-o-ors. Sandal, will you speak to that ho-ho-ho-ho-ho horse, ho-ho-ho-ho-ho horse, ho-ho-ho-ho horse? What's a fox say? Huggy heck show, huggy heck show, huggy heck show. What's a fox say? Woo, chow. Hatty 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 go.